ecstasy. Yeah, you take me to utopia. You're reading me like erotica. Boy, you make me feel exotic, yeah. Just when I think I can't take anymore, we go deeper and harder than ever before. We go higher and higher. I feel like I'm already there. I'm walking on air tonight. I'm walking on air. I'm walking on air tonight. I'm walking on air. I'm walking on air tonight. I'm walking on air. I'm walking on air tonight. I'm walking on air. I'm walking on air tonight. This is pure paradise. Even heaven is jealous of our love. Yes, we make angels cry, raining down on us from up above. Just when I think I can't take anymore, we go deeper and harder than ever before. We go higher and higher. I feel like I'm already there. I'm walking on air tonight. I'm walking on air. I'm walking on air tonight. I'm walking tonight, tonight, tonight. I'm walking on air tonight, tonight, tonight. I'm walking on air. You're giving me sweet, sweet ecstasy. Yeah, you take me to utopia. You're reading me like erotica. Boy, you make me feel exotic, yeah. Just when I think I can't take anymore, we go deeper and harder than ever before.
Yum. Yum.
I can hold my breath.
Yum.
I can bite my tongue. I can stay awake for days if that's what you want. Be number one. I can fake a smile. I can force a laugh. I can dance and play the part if that's what you ask. Give you all I am. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. But I'm only human, and I bleed when I fall down. I'm only human, and I crash and I break down. Your words in my head, knives in my heart. You build me up and then I fall apart, 'cause I'm only human.
Yum.
Because you know I'm all about that bass, about the bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, Yeah, it's pretty clear I ain't no size 2, but I can shake it like I'm supposed to do. I got that boom boom that all the boys chase, and all the right junk in all the right place. I see the magazine working that Photoshop. We know that stuff ain't real. Come on now, make it stop. If you got beauty, just raise them up. 'Cause every inch of you is perfect from the bottom to the top. Yes, my mama, she told me don't worry about your size, because boys like a little.
I'ma make it by any means. I got a pocket full of dreams. Baby, I'm from New York. Concrete jungle with dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand.
Yeah, I'm out at Brooklyn. Now I'm down in Tribeca, right next to the Narrow. But I'll be hood forever. I'm the new Sinatra. And since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me everywhere. I used to cop in Harlem. All of my Dominicanos right there up on Broadway. Pulled me back to that McDonald's. Took it to my stash spot, 560 State Street. Catch me in the kitchen like a Simmons whipping pastry. Cruising down A Street, off-white Lexus. Driving so slow, but BK is from Texas. Me, I'm out that Bed-Stuy, home of that boy Biggie. Now I live on Billboard, and I brought my boys with me. Say what up to Tata, still sipping my ties. Sitting courtside, Knicks and Nets give me high five. I be spiked out, I could trip a referee. Tell by my attitude that I most definitely from. With OG at a Yankee game. That made the Yankee hat more famous than a Yankee can. You should know I bleed blue, but I ain't a crypto. But I got a gang of walking with my click though. Welcome to the melting pot. Corners where we selling Africa been by the home of the hip hop. Yellow cap, gypsy cap, dollar cap, holla back. For foreigners it ain't fair, they act like they forgot how to act. 8 million stories out there in the naked city. It's a pity half of y'all won't make it. Me, I got a blood special, but I got it made. If Jesus paying LeBron, I'm paying Dwayne Wade. 3 dice Kilo, 3 card Marley, Labor Day Parade.
Night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time where you fade to the blackness. And when you're staring at that phone in your lap, and you hoping but them people never call